Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.